are excited today to talk to you about how we can help you enjoy an elevated honeymoon with complimentary honeymoon packages. Some of these are valued at over $1,500. So today we're going to talk about 4 separate hotel brands. All of them are adults only and all-inclusive that offer these amazing packages and how you can qualify for them.
Yes, starting with the honeymoon, a few things to know with these honeymoon packages is that you're typically expected to book at least a certain room category above, as well for a minimum number of nights. Resorts will require your marriage certificates, and you also are expected to travel during a specific number of days after your wedding day. So typically around 30 to 60. It really just depends on the resort. So why don't we start? The first resort we're looking at is Blanc. Now they have a couple locations throughout Mexico, Cancun, Cabo, places like that. Their honeymoon package includes, we'll start with petite fours. If you don't know what those are, it's French name for finger foods, baked goods, pastries, things like that. That's included with your honeymoon package. You get 2 keepsake bathrobes and slippers. Those are awesome. You get special honeymoon breakfast in bed with premium sparkling wine, and you also get a 25-minute back massage for 2. Now, don't underestimate those back massages. We've had it where we've done a 15 or a 20. I was wondering if it was worth it because it wasn't an hour. Totally worth it. Do that. And then you also get a late checkout, and that's a great way to maximize your stay, especially on that last day. If you have a later flight, afternoon flight, you can have a late checkout and enjoy breakfast and lunch before you make your way out.
And in order to take advantage of Blanc's honeymoon packages, you do need to stay a minimum of 4 nights, and it can depend on the time of year. So sometimes a year they may require less or more days, but usually around 4. They are going to also ask proof of your marriage, so like your marriage certificate, you're going to provide that when you check in, and you do need to travel within 1 year of your wedding date. Now they do have some blackout dates like Christmas and New Year's, but those are the most popular blackout dates.
Yes, the next resort we're going to look at is
El Dorado, Mexico. So these are within Mexico. They have several different sub-brands. They're going to provide things like a personal romance concierge, a private gourmet 4-course candlelit dinner on the beach. They're going to decorate your suite with rose petals and aromatherapy, so they're going to help you set that mood. They're going to give you breakfast in bed on your choice of the day. They're going to give you a beachfront sky massage, and they do a 2-for-1 offer, so this way you can get the full massage. In-room amenities upon arrival, you're going to get a 15% discount on spa services. You're going to get a floral arrangement in your room, and you're going to get a voucher for a 1-night anniversary return stay.
That's a great additive, that last one-night anniversary return stay. If you come to Mexico often, that's a great way to maximize. The requirements for this one are you do, again, need a certain room category or higher for at least 5 nights. You're going to need a copy of your marriage certificate at check-in and travel within 90 days after your wedding date for honeymoons and within 30 days before or after wedding date for anniversaries. The requirements, if you don't qualify, you can buy this package outright. The cost for that is $750. Again, weigh your options.
Why not get it for free if it's an option?
Yeah, weigh your options. So much value in just upgrading that room and going from there. The next one we're looking at is Sandals. Scattered resorts all over the Caribbean, St. Martin, Jamaica. So many options with Sand. What their package includes is a bottle of chilled sparkling wine in your room waiting for you. You also have special turn-down service that includes flower petals on your bed for the first evening of your honeymoon. If you don't know what turn-down service is, it really is kind of room service that prepares your room for the evening. A lot of times you're at dinner or entertainment or whatever, you come back, you're ready to crash, and they have that room ready to go.
Yeah, your bed all made up.
Yep. And they'll also deliver fresh flowers and have breakfast in bed for you on the morning of your choice.
And the requirements for this package are you do need to be staying a minimum of 3 nights, and you do need to travel within 30 days of your wedding date. Now, they do require a form to be completed, but if you're working with us, we're going to do this for you, so you don't even have to worry about it. And again, they are going to ask for your proof of marriage upon they have a portal that it's going to be uploaded to ahead of time. So again, that's something that we can take care of for you. And the last one we're going to be looking at is Secrets, and they have resorts in Costa Rica, across the Caribbean, and in Mexico. They offer a really great package here, probably one of the best honeymoon packages. They offer sparkling wine, fresh fruit, flowers in your room upon arrival. You get a romantic breakfast in bed with mimosas on one morning, and you do make a reservation with concierge for that, but again, that's something we can help you with. They give you a 25-minute couples massage, a choice of a couples spa treatment, so the resort will give you some treatment options, and you get to pick which one you want, and you both get to do that. A private dinner one evening, including a bottle of domestic wine and a meal from the silver menu. Romantic turn-down service, again the petite fours every evening at turn-down. And you get the free anniversary night. So how this works is if you stay a minimum of 5 paid nights over the first anniversary date, you're gonna get 2 more nights for free. And if you do 4 nights, then you're gonna get 1 night for free. So again, being able to take advantage of that honeymoon offer, you probably, if you watch The Bachelor, you've probably even seen or heard about this on The Bachelor. I know a lot of you love that show, so.
I do not watch that show, but I've heard of it. The requirements for this resort, Secrets is just, it's a personal favorite too. I just love, they do everything right. It's adults only, all inclusive. It's just, they do things right from start to finish. Great service. The requirements for this one is that you do stay in a certain room category or above, higher for at least 7 nights. Christmas, New Year's Eve, things like that are going to be blacked out, so subject to availability. Proof of marriage, and you must stay within 90 days of your qualify. This package does cost $1,500. So again, you may want to consider doing that room upgrade, just a lot more cost effective, and you get a lot more inclusions.
And an elevated experience overall.
If you don't qualify, which leads to the question, now if you're asking, is it worth to pay for the upgraded room category to get the honeymoon package? It is. You should splurge when it comes to your honeymoon. You only get one honeymoon. This isn't just a trip. It is start of your marriage together.
You know, and finding the perfect honeymoon package involves a lot of things. You want to consider the location, the amenities, your budget, the vibe and the look and feel that you're going for. So if you're overwhelmed with all the options out there, set up a time, do a complimentary consultation with us. We'd love to get to know you and your vision and help you maximize your budget while enjoying a bucket list honeymoon.
Yes.
Hope you guys all have a great rest of the week. And if you've stayed at any of these resorts and you love them, comment below. We'd love to hear from you guys.
Or if you speak any French, tell us how to pronounce petite fours. I'm sure that's not how you pronounce it. Safe travels.